Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to present to you today. Praise be to God Almighty who has bestowed His grace and gifts so that we can gather in good health as we are today. On this happy occasion, I would like to convey about fundamental programming. Before I start the presentation today, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Said Hafiz Ilyas, and I'm a student at Sanggabuana University, and my major is technical information. There are some of the important aspects of learning states to become a professional programming. Programming stage one is the most important stage. This is the pillar of all stages. If stage one is not steady and solid, it will be difficult when going to the next stage. And at this stage, many prospective programmers are discouraged in learning programming. Why? Because at this stage, we are required to be able to think like a programmer thinks. Every programming language has a fundamental concept that can be said to be the same. Fundamental programming has several concepts that must be understood for concept. The first concept is variable, the concept of naming a data or value. This exists in all programming languages. Concept 2, looping. It is the program's way of doing something over and over again. And concept 3, conditional, is the way the program to determine the direction of the program. Concept 4, sequential data set, or sequential array. That is data that contains data set sequentially starting for sequence to 0. And the last concept is data set names, or so-called object. An object has one or more properties, or named data. And also, to become a programmer, you must know both tools of programming. The word of programming is fast and continues to expand every day. They are always added that we must follow. And if it is not followed, then we will not be able to make applications that are in accordance with the times. At this stage, we have to learn to ask various tools to optimize the program that are created and optimize the way we work as programmers. Okay, after that, I will give you 3 tips for learning fundamental programming. The first is to know the programming language. There are about 70,000 programming languages available worldwide, but you don't need to learn all of them. Some of the most popular programming languages and can be as a reference are C, C++, Java, and Python. And the second is study the basic. The most common mistake when learning programming is to skip basic material and move on to more difficult material. This is a wrong step because you will have difficulty in the middle of learning and have to spend extra time reviewing the basic material. And the last tips is learning as well and practice. The trick make a free project. Once you start learning, practice each of the material offered in the project. Follow step by step until it works before you move on to the next material. And for conclusion, we can say that in order for us to become a programmer, we must be consistent and diligent in our learning process. I hopefully what I say can be useful for all of my friends and can open up broad insights about fundamental programming. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys.